Beneath the surface of our oceans, hidden in the remote shadows of the earth, lies a place so distant, so alien, that it feels as though we are crossing the threshold of another world. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our planet's oceans, a vast chasm that plunges nearly 7 miles below sea level. A place where the crushing weight of the water creates pressures over 1,000 times greater than what we experience at sea level. In this twilight zone, the very definition of life begins to blur, where the conditions are so extreme that it feels as though life itself is defying nature. Yet here, in this dark, cold abyss, a mystery persists. A mystery that continues to tantalize scientists and explorers alike. Could life, not from the stars, but from the depths of our own planet, hold secrets that we have yet to uncover? Could there be something in the Mariana Trench so strange, so alien, that it forces us to reconsider what life is and where it can thrive? For centuries, the Mariana Trench remained a mystery. A place so distant, so unexplored, that it seemed more like a myth than a reality. But now, thanks to modern technology, we've begun to probe its deepest recesses, to journey into a world that is as strange as it is alien. For all that we have learned about our planet, there are still corners of the Earth so remote, so hostile, that they remain almost entirely beyond our reach. The Mariana Trench is one of those places, a world where light never penetrates, where temperatures hover near freezing, and where the pressure is so intense, it would crush almost anything that dared to venture too deep. And yet, against all odds, life exists here. Strange, bioluminescent creatures, translucent fish, bizarre organisms with adaptive features that seem tailor-made for survival in this brutal environment. These creatures do not bask in sunlight like those we are familiar with. They thrive on heat, minerals, and chemicals that pour out from the very floor of the ocean. They live in isolation, isolated from the rest of the world by vast distances and pressures that would be lethal to most other life forms. These organisms have been evolving in this environment for millions of years, adapting to the most extreme conditions on Earth. But there is something more profound lurking in the depths. What if these creatures, these survivors of the abyss, are not merely strange versions of life as we know it? What if the most extraordinary life forms here are not from Earth at all? Could the Mariana Trench, in its profound isolation, be hiding something far more alien than we ever imagined? In the darkest corners of the trench, deep below the reaches of sunlight, life endures in the most bizarre and unexpected forms. Some of the creatures that call this place home seem more like the stuff of science fiction than reality. They have adapted to the pressure, the cold, the absence of light, creating bioluminescent lures, growing translucent skins, and developing extraordinary features that seem alien, even by our earthly standards. But could they be more than just strange, extreme adaptations? Could these organisms be remnants of an ancient time, perhaps even an unknown form of life? Life that evolved independently of the planet's surface life? Imagine, for a moment, that the conditions of the Mariana Trench mirror those of distant worlds in the cosmos. Worlds where liquid water exists not on the surface, but deep beneath thick ice crusts. There are moons, such as Europa, orbiting Jupiter, or Enceladus, circling Saturn, that contain vast oceans hidden beneath layers of ice. In these places, scientists believe life could exist in a way we have never seen before, surviving not on sunlight, but on chemical energy from beneath the surface. Could life forms like those in the Mariana Trench offer a glimpse into what might thrive in similar alien environments, hidden far away in our own solar system or in the far reaches of the universe. Scientists are beginning to consider that life on Earth may have originated in environments strikingly similar to these deep-sea vents, places where the pressures are unimaginable and the temperature near freezing, but life clung on in ways that defied everything we thought we knew about biology. If life can thrive in these environments, in the absolute darkness and under crushing pressure, could it be that the same kinds of life could exist elsewhere in the universe? Could extraterrestrial life be evolving in places we have never considered, where extreme conditions mirror those found in the depths of our oceans? It's an unsettling thought, one that challenges everything we thought we knew about life itself. Perhaps the very definition of alien is not limited to beings from far-off stars or distant planets. Perhaps life, in its most unfamiliar form, is already here on Earth, hidden beneath the ocean, in the Mariana Trench, waiting for us to discover it. Could the key to understanding life beyond Earth be in our own backyard? For decades, scientists have been sending submersibles into the Mariana Trench, studying the creatures that thrive here and collecting samples that have never been seen by human eyes. These deep-sea organisms, from strange jellyfish to bioluminescent fish, defy expectations. Many of these life forms have evolved in ways we never anticipated, developing the ability to withstand conditions that would destroy most life. Some of these microorganisms exhibit bizarre behaviors, living entirely off chemicals released from deep-sea vents, surviving on sulfur and methane, not unlike what we might expect on alien worlds. Could these life forms be clues, pointing us to the possibility of life on other planets? The deep-sea environments on moons like Europa or Enceladus are as alien to us as any far-off exoplanet. If life could survive here, in the deepest, darkest parts of the Earth, then perhaps the building blocks of life could exist on distant moons and planets as well. The deeper we go, the stranger it gets. Life forms unlike any we've encountered before. Creatures with adaptations that seem too advanced, too precise to be mere accidents of evolution. Their bodies have developed in isolation, evolving to withstand the highest pressures, the coldest temperatures, and the darkest corners of the planet. But could they also be evolving in ways that make them similar to alien life forms on other worlds? Could they, in fact, be our first real encounter with life that is not quite like anything we've ever known? Not from the stars, but from the very planet beneath our feet, hidden in the abyss. As we venture deeper into the Mariana Trench, we are reminded that the line between the alien and the familiar is far thinner than we once thought. Life, as we know it, may not be the only way life can exist, and the creatures of the trench, with their glowing lights and strange adaptations, may be the closest we'll come to meeting aliens on Earth. As we gaze into the abyss of the Mariana Trench, we realize that the true nature of life, of what is alien and what is not, remains one of the greatest mysteries we have ever encountered. The creatures here may be as alien as anything we could ever encounter in the universe. And as we continue our exploration, we are left with this thought. Perhaps the most extraordinary aliens are not found far away in the stars, but deep within the oceans of our own planet, hiding in the vast, unexplored abyss of the Mariana Trench.